What did you see and how did you draw it? Go ahead.
Initially saw two cubes like balancing like on one of their edges, but then I drew it. Then I noticed that it looks like two parallelograms connected on the top of each. I drew the diamond on the bottom.
Okay, does anyone know another name for this shape down here at the bottom? Yeah, it might be a rhombus. What would make it a rhombus?
Same size and
So she saw these two parallelograms here, and then saw this one down at the bottom. And where did you go from there?
then I just connected. Almost it's like connected over.
Who else can tell me what they saw? Go ahead.
So I did like there was an M on top and an M on bottom and then a W and then lines. And then on the first one that I did it, I put lines through all of it.
So hold on, let's go back to this M. So you drew an M on top
Yeah.
and an M on the bottom,
And then a W on the bottom of that other one.
and then the W at the very bottom. Okay, and then tell me about the lines.
And then I connected all of the lines on the first time I tried it.
Like this.
Yes.
Tell me about what you saw and how you drew it.
I saw two hexagons attached and in the shape of peace signs. That's crazy.
So you drew a hexagon on the left and a hexagon on the right, and you said they're attached.
Yeah.
So kind of like this. And then tell me about the peace sign idea.
Yeah, you know, like the circle with the peace sign? I just did that.
So did you start up here? Or
Yeah.
Did you start in the middle?
No, I started up there and then I just did it.
And then you drew the spokes going out. Okay, yeah.
I saw the two I saw those first, and I realized that both of them are bases of a prism. So I drew the rhombi first, and then just kind of lines off the vertices.
Okay, you're gonna need to talk me through this a little bit. So
Okay.
you drew these two rhombi down here.
Yes, I drew those first,
Okay.
and then I drew lines going up off the top vertices.
Did anyone else see a three-dimensional shape when they looked at this? Yeah, me too. I saw it that way too. Alexa saw the two rhombuses as faces within those rectangular prisms or cubes. So she viewed this as two three-dimensional cubes. Lila saw it a little bit differently. Lila saw two hexagons, which are two-dimensional shapes. And then she divided those hexagons into pieces. She told us that she saw two cubes that were balanced or flipped, right? And so we might think about that as being one cube that is reflected over a line of symmetry.